In the dental space, we obviously have general dentistry, which has the highest search demand. Everybody's searching for dental care near me or dentist near me. But then there are also specialized high revenue services that particular dental practices specialize in, right? You would have a particular clinic that does dental implants and dentures. That is their bread and butter, apart from general dentistry. And then you will have other practices that are heavily focused on orthodontics. So braces, clear aligners, stuff like that. The one important thing to remember is we think of the dental space as one, we would look at seasonality and we would think that all of these would have the same trends, but that is not the case. Orthodontics, for example, is one that particularly stands out in the second half of Q2 and the first half of Q3, where back to school season is where we see a lot of demand for orthodontics. Same way, general dentistry, to Kelly's point, like October, November are kind of good. December tapers down, and then Q1 and April are really big for general dentistry. So again, just remembering that you're talking to very different people when you are running an ad for general dentistry versus orthodontics or implants and dentures is really important to driving success here. The other thing to remember is how much nurturing does a user require in each of these services, right? A decision for general dentistry is easier and it is cheaper for me as a user than to make a decision for dental implants and dentures. You probably want to touch the user multiple times, for a dental implant or denture service, just because it is high revenue, it is high cost, and there is some amount of thought process and commitment that you're making if you are opting for a service like this. So again, remembering the audience that we are talking about and identifying the number of user touch points we require for each of these services is very essential.